Welcome in. You're watching the Blue Demon channel. So today we are going to be MIG welding on 304 stainless. For this application, we will be using 308L from Blue Demon. 308L will join together 304, 308. Most hobbyist welders at home, this will be the wire that you will need. Blue Demon does offer MIG welding wire in 304, 308, 316, and many different blends. But if you're looking for something that will cover most of the ground at home for the average hobbyist, the 308L from Blue Demon would be the wisest choice. So if 308 is our central workhorse, we start getting into 309, 310, 312, 316s. These different blends of stainless steel offer different properties if you're working with cast items, things that would offer higher corrosion resistance than steel or other alloys. So look through the entire Blue Demon catalog to find the perfect blend that suits the project you're looking for. So when running 035 stainless wire, the manufacturer recommends between 16 and 22 volts and an IPM of 160 to 190. Now, of course, that is going to depend on material thickness and position of your weld joint, but that will give you parameters to kind of work through until you get the perfect setting. Stainless is notorious for spatter, so make sure you've got your MIG mist handy. Did you also know that with proper heat input, travel speed, and gas coverage, you can also achieve those rainbow welds on a MIG weld? Not that you have to, but you may want to. So if you're looking to do some hobbies at home, check your local welding store, ask for Blue Demon MIG mist and 308L MIG welding wire. If they don't have it, ask for it by name.